All right, guys, just woke up, got my coffee, and now I am on my way to Kansas City. It is like 6 a.m. I'm driving up there 3 hours for a doubles tournament to bowl with Brad. Yesterday I bowled the state tournament, didn't go so hot, dealt with a ton of hook, and hopefully it's not the same case today. But bowling with Brad, Mitch is going to be on our pair, I'm assuming, so it should be a good time, and hopefully we throw lots of strikes. Me and Brad, not Mitch. Not Mitch. All right, we're in game 3. Struggling. I had 240, 170. Mitch had big game, low game. Brad had big game, low game. Last pair was tough. We're sitting at plus 210. Mitch and Birch are sitting at plus 130. How was that last pair?
US Open Day 2.
US Open Day 2. That's what we're bowling on. Mark Henninger just shot 850. Yeah.
Fire up.
Yes. Brad asked me what to do on the left lane. He said he doesn't know what to do, as if I haven't shot 550 for a 3-game set today. Well, this sucks. What Mitch is saying is Brad can't win this tournament by himself.
Packy and I decided that the singles portion stuff is going to be separate from the money that we chopped. It's good. Love it.
Really? That's exactly what happened. I said let's chop all of it. The last 3 games I'm averaging 173.
Dude, you shot 550 your last
Here's what's happening. See this guy right here, when I bowl doubles with him, he helps me. And Brad leaves me by myself shooting 170s.
What am I supposed to say to help you?
You're supposed to talk to me and settle me down.
Hey man, what you thinking?
Hey man, how's your bowl doing? This is what happens when Brad doesn't go to Wichita State. He doesn't help.
He doesn't know how to help himself. How can he help somebody else?
I don't know how to help you.
You just gotta talk to me. You gotta talk to me nice.
Because what I would suggest is to like play a straighter line with less rev rate, harder speed.
Then you should have
That's
said
hard.
that 3 games ago.
It's hard for a two-hander to do
Exactly. I got you to throw the your thing.
Yeah. And then you told me to start with the glam last game. That
Well, I
did not
definitely
work
think
out.
it's a straighter line kind of deal today.
Straighter and
Because you
rollier.
tried to hook it and it hooks too much. You have no room.
I was going to grab a knockout, move to fourth arrow, and loft it.
Well,
sounds like that's not the
that's
play.
The thing. You've done that before and killed it.
Yeah,
So,
and I've done that before, and
That might work.
150.
I totally trust your judgment. I have a hard time giving you advice.
You can tell me to do anything, and I do it. I'm averaging 170 the last 3.
What would you rather do, move left and hummy or move right and loft it?
I'd rather throw that purple anywhere and see what happens.
Boom. Question.
Answer.
Do you think you will ever be able to show up, bowl a tournament,
And beat you?
well, that ain't ever. It go poorly, and then you stay in a good mood the whole time?
The whole time?
Whole time. Like that little thing that happens in our heads to where when nothing's going well and we just want to light the building on fire, like that doesn't even go off. Like there's not a trigger. It's just
That ain't possible.
it's not possible. Well, it's definitely possible.
It's possible, but I'm like insane.
No. I'm
Like-
with you. I'm not like. I'm also. This is like a we thing, like a we everything.
In terms of like giving myself 15 seconds to freak out and then coming back and being positive the whole tournament, with the exception of those like I threw a bad shot, so I freak out for 10 seconds. Yes, I think that could happen.
Well, it's like an overall mindset, right? It's like no matter how bad I bowl, I'm gonna be okay.
Yeah, it's like, okay, you know what? Like the shot wasn't that bad. You're just not matched up. It's okay. Like those days happened, which was today for me.
I know, but like, imagine today, and then,
But I never got mad.
but you never like changed face. Like it was always just focus. Everything is what it is.
There was a stretch.
And then you get done and you look back and you go,
All right.
that was just the best I could have done. Is that ever gonna happen? Because it's never happened with me. I've never got done with a tournament and bowled poorly and handled it like a champ. I've always handled it poorly.
I've handled it a couple times like a champ, but it's never been like
Gucci.
full over, like, all right, whatever. It's been like the tournament's over and I'm like, that was the best I could have done right now. But I am going to practice tomorrow for 8 hours and figure out what I can do so it's not that again.
I know, I'm always like that too. It's like, that's the best I could have done. But then I go home and I'm like, it's always like when I'm driving home, I'm like, what was I freaking out
I
about?
could have used this ball. Like, the shots weren't that bad. I thought they were good, they just didn't end good.
Are we gonna cash? We might finish it.
All right, so as you can see, I'm wiped out from bowling bad. A lot of thinking been going on all day for me. Brad carried me to that 8th place last cash spot. So we did end up finishing in that last cash spot, but thanks for following along. And if you guys want a chance, we are giving away a free Deviate Activate this month. So if you guys want a chance at a free bowling ball, join our membership. We got plenty of perks in there, joining the Discord, getting to be a part of our community page as well. So plenty of perks to go along with that membership. So link down below for that, and we will see you guys in the next one.